So welcome back guys, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be very short and I have selected a very special topic for this video, and what's the topic is what exercises are right or what exercises are wrong. In exercise science there are many rules on which the exercises are made, and one of that rule is whenever you do any movement, then the weight should act in the opposite direction in which the force is applied by your muscles. Example, if I am doing holding a dumbbell here, and if I want to pull it towards my body, upper body, then when I'm holding a dumbbell here in this, the weight is acting downwards and I'm pushing it against the weight. So the applied force direction is upward, and the weight that is acting due to gravity from that dumbbell or any weight barbell, that is acting downwards. So in this exercise, what the exercise science say, that you should always apply a force in the opposite direction as it was applied by the weight that you are holding. So I have seen so many people doing wrong exercises, and they the rule is not getting applied perfectly on those kind of exercises. What are those exercises? People hold a dumbbell here and they do this external rotations of shoulder. They think actually they want to train their rotator cuff muscles by doing this. But guys, can you guess what's wrong in this exercise? There is a weight acting here downwards and you're moving it here. So there is not that rule is not applying here, that when the weight is acting downwards, you should move it upwards in order to activate your biceps muscle, brachioradialis muscle. But you're not doing that. In fact, your biceps muscle is working here in isometric form. It means the length of the biceps muscle is not changing. So it's an isometric hold for that biceps muscle. But what are the intention of the people doing that external rotator cuff muscle is they want to train their rotator cuff muscle. So by doing this, they're not training their rotator cuff. The rotator cuff is not getting enough stimulation. So what they can do is they can use a pulley. जिनके अंदर पुली मशीन होती है, so उस केस में क्या होता है, आपको पुली यहाँ से अटैच करना है इधर से, एंड यू हैव टू पुल इट लाइक दिस, देन इट इज अ रोटेटर कफ मसल. Instead of holding a dumbbell that is acting downwards, you should move the weight upwards, not here. So make a pulley, set a pulley here in this height and then rotate here. And if you do it internal rotation, then set a pulley here and stretch it this wood. So this is the right movement, guys. So there can be many exercises. Let me give one more example of a correct exercise. If you do a chest press, you do a press in this plane, and you press the weight against the, if you're doing it on a pulley, then weight is acting backward and you're pushing it forward. But if you are laying on a bench like this, the weight is also acting downwards and you're pushing it away from the ground. So this is the right approach. You should always apply the force in the opposite direction as it was applied by the weight you are holding or whatever the pulley you are using. So always remember this, don't do these wrong exercises, because you're not hitting the target muscle in the right manner. So in order to do that, you have to always apply your force in the opposite direction, that the force you are applying on yourself. So I hope this video might have cleared some of your doubts. You might have also seen people doing these kind of exercises. Next time you see them, please correct them and tell them that you can train your rotator cuff muscle on a pulley machine instead of holding a dumbbell in the hand.